Hai Ella, good evening. Aduh,
Yeah, hello.
halo, how are you Ella?
I'm doing good.
You're doing good. Okay, wait. School break already? Or still close?
Yeah,
Classmate?
you're already school break.
It's already school break. Good job.
Uh,
Until when ya?
8th January, I think. Oh, yeah.
8 January? Ooh, much longer than usual. Some schools until 5 January. Why it puts 8?
No, I don't know, but yeah, it's 8th of January.
Oh, okay. Wait. So we'll start our lesson today ya, Ella. Ella still remember what was the last material that we learned?
Question.
What did we learn on the last sessions?
This one was basic call. So like making a form or like,
What do you
I don't know
say?
how to explain. It's like making a form
A
or like
horn?
the
What
layout.
is a horn? Oh, a
Like,
form. Did you mean a
yeah,
form?
yeah, like
Okay.
making something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah. We learn about how to create a form. Yeah, especially a formula. Yeah, to make the CSS basics. Yeah, and then today we learn about the web development with JavaScript. Okay. So JavaScript. Today we'll continue our lesson and it will be about JavaScript. No more longer about HTML and CSS, but yeah, we are combining those languages. And today you will equip with a new language, which is a JavaScript. So, what comes in your mind when we are talking about JavaScript? What is it?
Yeah, it's a programming language, right? It's a
Yes, it's a
different language.
programming language. And
No,
then,
I know it made Minecraft, right? Like JavaScript. Minecraft was made with JavaScript. Yeah.
what do you say? Sorry, your voice is breaking.
I said Java Minecraft was made in JavaScript. I
Oh,
think
wow, nice info. Where did you know that?
I think like it was like a logo. I think it opens with like a
Okay.
logo, yeah.
Okay. Actually, I don't know about the Minecraft is built on JavaScript. I just know it from you. So
Oh,
basically, when we are talking about JavaScript, it's a dynamic pages. So maybe you already learned how to create a website that can direct the people or the users to other appearances. For example, they will redirect to a new page, redirect to a new link. It's all possible. Okay. Now, and today we'll learn about more dynamically. Yeah, if you press the button, then you will add some animation in it. Okay. So this is JavaScript looks like. So it's tell you about several things apa, related to the animations. Okay.
yeah.
Now, for example, it's a Flappy Bird. Have you ever played it?
Yeah.
I think it's happening on which year? Yeah,
What?
it's a really old game.
Yeah, Flappy Bird old.
Hmm. And today you will learn about JavaScript, learn variables, data types, work with the console, learn how to interactive pages, and also apply the acquired knowledge. Now, so today you will learn about introduction to JavaScript. So in JavaScript, there is algorithm, programming language, and also program. So algorithm, it's simply like a sequence of actions determined to achieve a goal. Yeah. And when we are talking about programming language, it's like yeah, communicating with the machines. So if you want to know or if you want to tell the computer to do something, that means you need to make or you need to learn what the computer language is. Yeah, it is about the programming language. And a program is basically like algorithm is written in a programming language. Yeah. Now, so the difference is when we are talking about HTML, it's just stating that element exists and how they look. But when we are talking about JavaScript, it's managing styles according to the algorithm. So we can say that HTML is not like you put some algorithm in it. Yeah, but JavaScript can do. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that means you can do several arithmetic operations like plus, etc. Yeah. Now, so if you want to make an arithmetic operations, how can you store that? But obviously, the variables will comes uh, to here. Yeah, so variable is like storing all the values. So how can we make a variables in JavaScript? It's like you put a let, and then the name of the variables, and then the equal, and then the value itself. Okay,
Okay.
so like this is the variables. Use the let keyword and state the name of the variable and assign value to a variable. Yeah. Similar with Python. So if you want to use the plus equal, that means it's like number equal number for plus five. Yeah. So let is used for only initializations or it's like the first variable introduction. So if you want to call the number variable again, you don't have to put
You don't
let.
have to.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, don't put it. Don't have to. And then yeah, like this. Yeah. If you already as a apa initialize the a and also b variables, if you want to call it again, don't have to call the that.
Okay.
Nah, so the next part is when we are using Python, it's really simple to show the result or to show the output. So if you want to use the JavaScript, you can use the console.log. Yeah, and it will
Yeah, this
show
is like
you the result. Hmm?
the print of JavaScript. Like,
Yes, it's like
okay.
a print in Python.
Okay.
Okay, but yeah, you are using a console.log. Now,
Yeah.
you can also use alert. Yeah, you can also use alert. Sometimes you can use the pop-up of the browsers, and then it will show you, yeah, the information about it. Yeah, which is 200. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Now, the next one is data types. Yeah, obviously we need an opportunity to work with text. So if you want to create a string, just use the quotation mark and then yeah, you can call it yeah, that variables. Now, similar with Python, yeah, you already learned about the concatenations or combining those two strings in a one sentences. Yeah, so you can do that as well in a console.log. Just use the plus sign. Now, you can also like combining if you use Python and you will combine 10 and also string 4, it will give you an error. But in JavaScript, yeah, it will combine it and it will
So,
automatically change to the strings like that. Yeah. Now, and then if you want to make or to keep, yeah, to keep the number as a string, then in the console log you can use a double plus sign. Yeah, so it will convert it into numbers.
oh, well, it just gets converted into a number if you put a plus.
Yes, you just put more plus in front of it, and then it will convert it. Yeah, it will be converted to the numbers.
There one that converts it into a string.
What do you say?
Is there one that converts it into a string?
The next questions.
Right?
I think yeah, there's no there's no information
There's no.
about that in here. Yeah,
No.
yeah, it show us about converting the string to the numbers. Yeah, but it's not showing us how to convert it back. Yeah, I think it's on the exercise. Yeah. Have any other questions?
Huh? No, not really.
Hmm?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. We'll continue. Now, the next one is interaction with the page. I think we can do the exercise first, yeah, and then we'll go to the next session. So, you can share your screen, yeah. Please open your Organova.
Pages.
Yes.
Yes. Agree.
Wait a minute. How many correct answers, yeah? Wait a minute. There are three correct answers. A static page. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. This one, there are four correct answers.
Or
Four. This one, there are two correct answers. Yes, cool. Yes, cool. Hmm. Pop up. It's not printing on the console,
what?
but it's a pop up.
Learn.
Hmm.
What?
Hello, wait a minute. I need to go to the bathroom.
Kenapa gua juga bisa-bisa sama kayak gini? Padahal kan itu dari kapan? Tapi kok buat kali gua dulu ya kan? Sama banget. Oh, sudah gua tahu. Berarti 30. Sudah kali Pak. Terus apa? Berapa ini? Let's home aja game terus. Kenapa gua juga bisa-bisa sama kayak gini? Padahal kan
Okay. In a month, Basil earned
Is this supposed to have like a box? No, right?
103. 40. Are you sure the result is like this? Have you read the question again?
The money?
Two websites. For each of them, he earned $103. So that means you need to multiply the x by two before you plus to the y, yeah? Because there are two websites, right?
For each
It's
the
just like only from the one website. We put this one and just sum it up
oh,
directly. You don't count the other website that has in it in the questions. Sites.
tours.
Hmm. Actually, it's supposed to be like this. I think you don't have to put a new variable for the messages, or just try delete the white space in here. Yeah,
Or just will
checklist.
put this in.
No, 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 checklist. Just try to checklist this. Is it correct or not? Still incorrect?
Well,
Yeah. Okay. Just make it like this. Yeah. Cool. Oh, I think the previous one because you don't have to apa you didn't use the
because
comma ya.
that's
You just
yeah.
plus it. Yeah, continue. Hmm.
It's an hour.
Are you sure the days only like that the operation? Yes. Yes, cool. Now this one just try the apa? The program ya, which is there are three files: HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Think you need to consider more in JavaScript. Now there are, wait a minute, there are four correct answers ya.
Yeah.
Four correct answers. Yes, cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Have any questions?
Maybe just confused because this is mixing all three. Like
What do you
this
say?
one is mixing all. This one's mixing HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, right?
Yeah.
Text is from here, and then they put it in HTML.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So maybe several things yeah about that one. So we'll learn how to make that. Wait, let me share my screen again. So for the second part, yes, how can we make the HTML change using JavaScript? So we learn about interaction with the page. Yeah, changing the page. Oh tidak, ini apa? Nah, oh habis lagi. Wait a lot. The Zoom meeting is telling me that only 10 minutes left. I think the premium is already expired. Wait a minute. Let me prolong it first. So far, have any questions?
Can continue.
Continue ya. Wait a minute ya.
Yeah.
Ini udah 2 minggu belum ya? 4 Desember. Oh, baru 2 minggu. Okay, continue ya. So when we're talking about JavaScript, it's common if you want to changing the page. Yeah, so we can call it as a DOM tree or document object module. So it's the object module of the document. Yeah, so basically JavaScript is using this concept to interact with the website. Yeah, by default, when loading a page, the browser builds a DOM tree. So it's like a decision tree, if you still remember, or it's like a mind map, yeah, where it comes from the top and then yeah, it will break down through, yeah. Each node has its own child. Okay, so it's like this. You can use the first document and then it will go to the HTML and then it breaks down to two nodes, head and also body, and then each node has its own child, has its own children. Okay. Now, by knowing about that, you can locate all of the element in the HTML using JavaScript. Yeah. So that's why if you want to create or if you want to change a specific element, you can use query selector. And then from that document, you can choose which selector that you will pick. For example, you want to search like this one, class red. Yeah. So if you want to get that element, you just use document and then query selector dot that means you will get this. Yeah. If you want to get the H1, then yeah, just call the H1. Okay. So it will return the first matching element. Yeah. If there are so many H1, if there are so many class red, that means you will get the first element only. Okay. Now, if you want to make like this, let first and then query selector P and then let container, yeah, and then let second, you can change the first inner HTML. Now there's another text. That means if you want to change the first text, yeah, or the P text, that means you can use inner HTML. Then it will change. And if you want to change the second, yeah, the second to apa to the color red, then just use style dot color like that. Okay. Have any question from here?
Oh no,
Nah, yeah. Okay.
I
This
understand.
one, the next one is first inner HTML. Yeah, do the same thing. Then it will change. Yeah. Okay, that's all. Have any questions?
Well,
No? Go
that's
share your
good.
screen again, yeah?
Did not. Is there no explanation with CSS or that's it?
For the CSS, we haven't used it. We are just using the HTML
Not
and
in this one,
CSS.
right? Yeah.
There are five correct answers.
How much?
Five.
Five?
Five correct answers.
Is this it?
Wait. This one is correct. 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 Correct.
Does someone want me to change it from JavaScript?
Yes.
Different.
Okay, cool. So we'll change the color to red and also change the text. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, can you use class?
We are using the class for the color.
So I say
Actually,
container.
actually, you are using the class and also the HTML element.
Wait, what?
Yeah, like that. It's like
Oh,
what do you call it? Yeah, it's like a nested. So the first thing is you need to search for the container inner, and then you will get the selector P paragraph. Hmm, query selector container. You forget the dot, yeah, for the class.
the dot. Oh,
Cool. Continue.
I can do this.
So for the number four, you need to calculate all the prices. So you need to get from the
Total?
apa from the HTML using query selector, and then you need to put the arithmetic operations, then show it in the console. Read the question again. Actually, you need to get from the inner HTML. Yeah? You cannot just directly using that. Yes, cool like that. It's similar with the previous one. Mm-mm.
Still put the text in
Yeah,
there.
but it's still remember, yeah, it's a string, so you need to change it.
Oh yeah. Right.
Mm-mm. You need to change the result text. So that means you can use this one. For the number one and number two is already correct. Result as well. Yeah. And then just change the inner HTML to the value that you sum up. Hmm, yes. There are five line of code errors and then no errors for
What? Five?
five errors, four no errors.
Wait, what do you mean five, four no errors? And there's five.
This one, there are five. These are
Then
four. Sorry.
there's
These are
only
three. These are three.
yeah. Hmm?
Yes, cool. Okay. Then the last one.
Yeah. Done.
Cool. Have any questions so far? Elo?
Well, not really.
Not really. Okay. So, uh, if you don't have any questions, we already learned about the JavaScript introductions, yeah, and then we'll continue our lesson about events in JavaScript. So, if you put some interaction to the website will respond, yeah, to your interactions, which we call as an event. Okay, for the next sessions. So we can dismiss our class today. Bye bye. Good night. Thank you. Yeah.
Goodbye.